Hi friends, today we are going to prepare a dish which can be had for breakfast or during lunchtime, that is called Bisi Bele Bhaat. Before checking the recipe, if you are new to the channel, do click on the subscribe button below and subscribe to the new home kitchen. Let's see the recipe now. In the preparation of Bisi Bele Bhaat, we can add different combinations of vegetable. Here I have taken 3/4 cup of carrot, 3/4 cup of beans, 1 cup of potato and half cup of green peas which is soaked overnight in water. I am using 1 glass of rice and half glass of tur dal. At first, we need to cook the rice, dal and all the vegetables together. For that, in a cooker I am adding green peas, carrot, beans, potato, washed tur dal and washed rice with sufficient amount of water for cooking, and then add 1 teaspoon of oil and 2 teaspoon of salt and cook for about 2 whistles. Once the rice is cooked, let's prepare the gravy. For that, I have taken about 2 small onion, 2 small tomatoes, 1 capsicum cut into pieces. Also soak about 2 inches of tamarind in little bit of water. Now let's heat the pan and add about 1 teaspoon of oil and add half teaspoon of mustard seeds. To this, add 2 teaspoon of groundnut seeds, and once the groundnut seeds are cooked, add the finely chopped onions. When the onions are almost cooked, that is start turning transparent, add about 4 to 5 red chilies cut into pieces and add few curry leaves. Let this cook for about 1 minute and then add the chopped capsicum and cook for some more time. Followed by tomato and 2 teaspoon of salt and cook until the tomato is soft and mushy. You can also add a little bit of cashew to this. Once the tomato is cooked, add half teaspoon of turmeric, 1.5 teaspoon of red chili powder. Red chili powder can be adjusted based on the spice preference. To this, we will use the MTR Bisi Bele Bhaat powder. You can add a small packet of MTR Bisi Bele Bhaat powder which comes for about 10 rupees. Here I have taken 3 teaspoon of Bisi Bele Bhaat powder. Mix the masalas well. Now let's add the tamarind water to this, and along with that about half glass of water. Let this cook for 2 minutes. Let's transfer the cooked rice and vegetable into a kadai and add the masala to the same. Keep the gas in low flame. Add water based on consistency required. Also check and adjust the salt if required. Cook this until you have 1 boil. Now our tasty Bisi Bele Bhaat is ready. Kara bundi is a perfect combination with Bisi Bele Bhaat. Do try it out and let us know in the comment section. If you like the video, click on the like button, share the video and subscribe to Dhanvi Home Kitchen. Bye!